Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. Most of you might be aware of open source applications, which are of course a better alternative to those applications which are not open source because of enhanced privacy and less or no tracking. And most of you might also be aware of open source application stores like fdroid and Droid. Apart from these application stores, there are other stores as well which contain different open source repositories and are freely available for Android devices. In today's video, I'll be talking about one of the best alternative open source app store known as Droid-ify, which is an unofficial Android client and contains different open source repositories. I will divide this video into different sections and please make sure to stay till the end because this video is going to be very useful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on channel notifications. First of all, let's start with the installation. You are going to find many websites on the internet which provide APK file of Droid-ify, but I would recommend downloading it from GitHub if you are using your Android browser, and I would also recommend using any open source browser like Brave. You can just head over to Brave and search for Droid-ify and tap on the GitHub link. Scroll down a bit and tap on the latest release. Version 0.4.1 is the latest version of Droid-ify. You can tap on the APK file and it will be directly downloaded to your device. If you have any other open source application stores like fdroid or Droid installed in your device, you can directly search Droid-ify and download it from there. Why I am saying is because you should always make a practice of downloading APK files from trusted sources, be it any type of application. So the installation is complete and you will find Droid-ify in the list of applications installed in your device. Now let's check the main interface and the process of searching applications. The main interface of this application is very simple. You will find three different tabs on the main page. The first tab provides the applications available to download, which are mostly sorted based on recent updates. You also have a separate drop-down menu for different application categories where you can select and browse through these sections. You will also see some open source repositories at the bottom, which I will explain a bit later in this video. The second tab gives you the list of open source applications installed in your device, and the third tab provides you the available updates for the installed applications. As you can see, the interface is very simple and easy to use. Now, if you want to search for any applications, there is a dedicated search button on the top where you can search for your favorite applications. You can also see a refresh button along with the search option on the top, which reloads the list of applications or repositories and gives you the latest applications that have been updated. Now, let's take a look at the application settings and see what you can do to get a better output. You can see a three-dot menu on the top where you will find three different options. First is the application sorting, where you can arrange the applications based on name, date, and the latest update. The second option provides different open source repositories which you can turn on, and the applications from those repositories will be displayed on the main page. Among the provided open source repositories, you can see fdroid and EasyOnDroid, which are like the default ones and are continuously updated. If you are aware of any other open source repository, you have an option to add that manually. Once you choose the repository list, you can go back to main page and tap on application categories, and on the bottom you will find your repository list. You can select any of the repository here and the latest applications from that repository will be displayed first. So this was all about the settings that are present in Droid-ify. Now comes the last part where I will show you how to install an application using Droid-ify. If you are manually searching or even tapping on any application directly, you will get the application details. The first will be install button, then application version and the size, followed by screenshots, giving you a detailed look of how the application looks like. You can also delete the application directly using the delete button on the top, and you will also be able to access the settings. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a brief description of the application about the features, and the next will be the links related to bug tracking and the changelog. And finally, you will find different versions of the application which you can install by a single tap. Being an unofficial Android client, you don't need to worry because this application is completely open source and the code is available on GitHub. Comparing it with the original Android client, this looks more refined because of its material design, but it lacks an important feature from the original Android. The feature is called as Nearby, which allows you to share applications without internet. If you want to try this application in your device, I will provide the official download links in the video description. Please make sure to use those links only in order to stay secure and free from any malware. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up, which will help this video reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video.